What's going on, OTG fam? It's your boy Ace back at it again. Unfortunately, I had a hissing sound in the background of my audio, so I'm speaking over the video. Hopefully, I'm not too annoying for you guys. So, today we're going to be using SupaColor to start my official brand, OTG Kicks. This is a SupaColor transfer that I purchased recently. The size of this transfer is an A4 wearable, 8.3 inches by 11.7 inches. I put in the comments I needed a 8.5 by 11, and it came through like this. Unfortunately, my original photo that was sent, it didn't have that white outline going around, but I guess the image that was sent to them, it came out that way on their side. But nevertheless, we're going to make it work. Anyways, let's get to the press and let's see what goes down from here. What's up, guys? Now we're back on the press. I am using a T-square alignment tool. This is a great asset to have to your business for centering the designs in the middle of your garment. If you got one of these, you know what I'm saying. If you don't, go to Amazon. It costs $55. You can get one today. So as we are on the press, I like to use my card, my business card, instead of using the 4 fingers to 3 fingers down. It's about the same size for me. For my image, as I line my image up, I am using the T-square to center it. Some people like to use the 3 to 4 fingers to the side, but I preferably like to use the T-square. It gives me a more accurate, true to the middle or the center of the shirt. So since this is my second time using SupaColor, I've learned, which is a preference for me, to line up the point of my card to the highest point of the image and align it just like so across the middle. Like I said, it's a personal preference for myself. Other people have other techniques, but this works for me. As per the instructions, it suggests you use firm pressure, 40 psi, heat for 320 degrees for 10 to 15 seconds. So that's the instructions that I am following. This is a auto open heat press nation signature series with the pull out drawer. So as you can see, I made a mistake. You know, we all make mistakes. I freaking heat pressed my business card, but it is what it is. It didn't affect the image or the t-shirt, so we still in business. Here is an issue that I have with SupaColor. I don't know if it's me having an issue with the learning curve, but for some reason, it doesn't come out as good as everybody else who uses SupaColor. The edges just starts to raise up, and I have to re-press it over and over again until I get it exact. All right, so after a few presses, I think I finally got it down pack. As you can see, they said to pull in a sweeper motion, and here we go, finally, yes. You can see how excited I am with finally getting this thing down pack. All right, so this is the outcome of using SupaColor. Amazing, amazing, amazing. The vibrancy, beautiful. They definitely brought my image to life. Like I said, I'm not too fond of the white background, but that's on my end, I guess, with the file that was sent. They did an amazing job, a great job. The feel of it kind of feel like plastisol, a little bit rubbery. So I hit it with an extra press with a Teflon sheet, and it took down some of the texture, and it felt a whole lot better after that. So my next clip, I attempted to press another shirt using SupaColor, and I had issues with it raising and peeling back up during the last hot peel. But I got it down pack now. It's all about peeling in a swooping motion. Once you get the peel down pack, you'll be just fine using SupaColor. So guys, this is me pressing another shirt. Some issues that I have, as you can see, is the image raises up. So hot peel, one swooping motion, and things like that are happening. So yeah, I don't know if it's me or I actually have a pillow underneath trying to figure out the pressure, the heat temperature. Actually raise the temperature up a little bit. I'll figure it out, but overall SupaColor is definitely great. Just have to figure out how to make it stay down or tack down correctly. All right, so I was able to peel it off, and it had some of the edges that peeled up. As you can see, they're actually tacked down now. I used the transfer sheet